Hey guys, so behind me is our new Copart build. It's a 2010 Ford F250 Super Duty 4x4. We just actually got it delivered today. We already did some disassembly to see what's going on. Obviously we got a bent radius arm down here from the accident. Our tires, both front tires are empty, so those are gone and our front shock is gone. We actually thought it was a smaller accident than this, but I think it'll be an easy fix. Let's give you a walk around. So it's actually, this thing comes with a 4-inch lift. We already got the wheels, tires, headlights ordered for it. The XLT edition, so it has leather seats inside, 90,000 miles, which is actually, I think we've got a pretty good deal on this thing. Alright, so this is the front end damage that we have going on here. So this headlight already busted out completely. We need a new bumper. We're going to need a new fender. I think we can save the hood. We got a new mask already in for that. And down here is the hidden damage that we discovered. So what we had was a bent radius arm that pushed everything completely back, that front axle and everything, and it tore this hanger of the control arm. So we're gonna have to get this set back into place, get that welded, but thankfully there's no frame damage, so it's gonna be an easy fix. Also, this, as you can see here, this shock, it's an aftermarket shock for the 4.5-inch lift kit. It is completely busted, torn off. So let's get to it. We're actually going to tear the front bumper off, tear the grill off, take the fender and the light off, and see if there's any more damage. Actually, we already know the radiator is bad anyway, so we'll get to that.
off, completely off. That opened us up. We can see the damage here, which the frame looks completely good. This is torn off, which is not a big deal for us. Next step, we're going to take both the headlights off. We're thinking of upgrading those, so we're going to take those off. We're going to replace this fender, so we're going to take the headlights off and the fender off and see what's left.
Alright, we got this fender off. So it's got damage all over. We don't want to try to straighten it out. I mean, especially this part down here. So we're actually gonna shop around, try to find a used one in the same color. If not, I mean, we'll have to paint a new one. But so what's next is everything looks good here. We're gonna pull this shroud off, and then we're gonna take the mask off, and I think that's it for the destructed items. Otherwise, I mean, we are good to go. We already ordered new stuff. We got some stuff in, so we should be able to start assembling the truck tomorrow. Okay.